How to fix the issue with Windows Defender. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Windows Defender not opening on your Windows 11 device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards your Start menu and type Command Prompt. Right-click on the application and choose the option of Run as Administrator. After that, you need to allow permission to run it as administrator, so simply click on Yes and the window will open. Here you need to type the command sfc/scan now. Once you hit the enter key, it will scan your whole device and fix the corrupted files. After that, now you need to head toward services of your device. So for that, click Window plus R and the run will open. Simply type service.msc, which will open the window for services in your device. Here, you need to search for Security Center. Once you find it, right-click on it and then choose the option of Refresh. Once the Security Center has been refreshed, you need to head towards Windows Security. So go to the Start menu and in the search box type Windows Security. Right-click on it and then go to App Settings. After that, the settings window will open. Then after, you need to scroll below where you will see the option of Repair. Click on it and it might take some time to Windows Security to repair. Now, after repairing, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to restore this Windows Security. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Windows Defender not opening. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.